Northshore Mining in Silver Bay faces $19,000 in fines after violating its wastewater permit.
The Minnesota Pollution Control Agency announced today Northshore Mining repeatedly violated environmental rules over the last few years. The mine, operated by Cleveland Cliffs, allegedly released recycled water into the ground multiple times. The MPCA said the biggest release of water was nearly 400,000 gallons, with a small amount possibly reaching the Beaver River. According to Northshore Mining, the release was from equipment failure. They've already worked to prevent it from happening again. Along with the fine, Northshore Mining is also required to submit spill prevention reports and implement an integrity plan, which they say they've already done. They're also working on replacing the faulty pipeline.